Welcome to our channel. It's called Entertainment. Today we are going to see how to turn on two RED at the same time and stay on. This process it is not too hard, but you have to stay focused and don't jump any step, because anytime you jump any step it will be difficult to turn on those two lights. Don't forget to subscribe, make comment and share. First of all, we are going to define what we are going to use. That's defining RED 1, which will be on pin 13. Then we are going to define RED 2, which is on pin 10. After defining, come to void setup, pin mode, and say RED 1, it is output, and pin mode, RED 2, it is also output. After close, then come to void loop. In void loop, you are going to see digital, right? It is high. Close. Come back. Digital, right? RED 2. Then make it also high or on. And say it is high or it is on. It is the same. What? Or it means the same in the programming. After making this program, first of all, I'm going to check or to verify if the program doesn't have any problem. And before we verify, I'm going to save it. It's called two REDs on. Then save it. Program void two REDs on. After save it, I'm going to compare it, and after comparing, found this program doesn't have any problem. Here we're going to come back here. We're going to come back to Arduino board. So here we have Arduino board. This Arduino board, to make a program which is going to make the light which is on pin 13 and the light which is on pin 10 to be on. So in order to make it be on, first we are going to connect this pin, this Arduino board to the laptop. After connecting the light, it shows power on, but the two lights which you want to make it on, they are to be on. So after running this, I'm going to come back here. Program. I'm going to upload this program to our Arduino board. This is uploading, it is done. And then you're going to come back again here to the board. Give us the same result as one. Anytime I put something to look like that, we need those two lights they are on. So this is what I'm looking for happen. So this is how we can turn on two lights at the same time using Arduino board in the Arduino program.